This is cool. Oh my god. Hi, I'm Pierre and welcome to Neon Reactions. Folks, we've got another little Christmas present from none other than Han from Stray Kids, and he dropped a song today called Raining Stars. This is cool. I did not know we would be getting this, but yes, it's Han, so we have to listen. And I am very excited for this. So before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share the video. All of my socials, as you know, are down in the description. And if you have anything to tell me, comment section is the place to go. But now, it's time for some good music. Let's do this. Okay. Oh. Let's go.
Running all day like stars. Running all day like stars.
Han going all poppy here. This is cool. And from the beginning, once again, very nice. I just love that little bounce already. This is cool. Yes. Come on. Running all day like stars.
Running all day
Like stars.
I just wanna show you. I just wanna be with you.
Okay. Let's go.
아마도 한 달 전쯤인가 웃어서 떨어지는 별들이 춤추던 그날 무수히 많은 생각 중 제일 먼저 든 건 너와 함께 있다면 참 행복하겠다. 내 가장 큰 감정을 담당하는 너와 훗날 영원한 말하고 나눌 수 있다면 좋겠다. 불쑥 찾아온 소문을 나는 아쉬움을 담아서 보내는 이 노래는 내 마음의 바다. 중태없던 내 맘의 온도는 뜨거운 여름 것 같아. 구름 뒤에 사라지는 별을 보니 아쉽고 싶은 my mind.
I am loving the little scratching in the back. This is pop, 90s hip hop a bit, and I love his flow. This is cool. Let's go. I need to go back a little bit. I'm sorry. Oh yes. He sounds good here. Okay. This part where he goes back into the verse, I just love that laid back bass. We're all hyped up in the chorus and then it just goes boom, 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 and he's just flowing over that. Really, really nice. I like the transition there. Now.
부끄러움이 나를 보면 부끄러움이 돼 쑥스럽지 고개 돌려 칠해진 보레 저 하늘에서 쏟아진 유성들 내 맘을 표현하자면 좀 더 큰 운석 지는 광년을 달려 내게로 온 듯한 이 맘이 거짓 하나 안 보태고 진심이거든 달리 표현할 방법이 어디 없을까 했더니 저 위에서 내려줬나봐 별소나 길난 대신 여러분 내 맘의 온도는 뜨거운 여름 것 같아 구름 뒤로 사라지는 별을 보니 아쉽고 싶은 my mind How bad 끝도 위로 들린 카메라에 찍혔던 건 안겨와 깜깜했던 영번 어떤 사진 보이지만 혹시 너는 이 맘을 알까
Let's go! This is cool. Oh yes. Raining stars.
너도 나와 같은 밤을 볼까 에오 내 머리 위로 쏟아진 your song.
The sound is just too cool. The sound of the whole production already has that integrated bounce. The bass is just so boom. It's not like a boom boom. It has this boom. Very, very cool. I love the sound. And his flow is cool. My God, this is good.
에오 너도 나와 같은 밤을 볼까
Ayo!
내 머리 위로 쏟아진 your song은 아마 사실 내게 주고 싶던 내 마음인 거야 yeah. Raining stars 고픈 밤 내게 주고 싶던 날 한껏 가득히 담고 싶었던 sky My baby Raining stars 어떠한 날보다 더 아름답던 날 별들 펴는 하늘 아래 너와 나 yeah.
This is cool. Oh my God. Good sounding guitar too. Very smooth. This was a good one. Oh, I absolutely love this old school hip hop bounce. Very, very cool. He came on with some hip hop pop stuff. This is good. I'm really happy about this one. Raining stars, da da da. Very catchy too. Wow, cool, folks. My goodness, thank you for being here. Thanks for being here for Han, for the Stray Kids, for all our boys. This was just so good. I love it. You guys, please take care and stay safe out there. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas time. I hope everybody had good food and good people around them. And yes, as I always say, saranghe, annyeong. Until the next time. See ya. Bye.